While taking a break between filming videos, I ran outside to check my mailbox, and this coloring book was waiting on your girl. Yes, today I'm going to do a flip through of this coloring book, and it will be a chatty one because I have not watched any flip throughs of this coloring book. This should be quite interesting. I am so excited because I really love her work. And here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I just love her art. Whew, I gotta calm down. But this is my new coloring book. Look at this beauty. Little Folk coloring book. Yes, I love this cover. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let me take a look at the back. Okay. Let me read what's on the back right quick because I need to know. The coloring adventure continues with Little Folk featuring 50 of Karron's most beloved whimsical illustrations, plus 4 exclusive designs. This enchanting book invites you into a magical world filled with wee folk, little elves, fairies, and other fantastical creatures who dwell in the hidden corners of fairy tale forests, meadows, and lakes. With delicate details and charming characters, each page offers a delightful escape into a rich world of imagination and creativity. Printed on high-quality ivory paper, yes. Each single-sided page is perfect for a variety of mediums. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning, Little Folk will provide hours of coloring cheer, bringing these quirky personalities to life with every stroke. Christine Karron. And here are some illustrations on the back here. Let's get into it. Let's go. And then we have this little cover page here with flowers as the border here. Little Folk coloring book. I'm going to have to sit down on this one because most of the time I be standing up. Let me take a seat. I am sitting down now. It says, follow the butterflies into a grove of whimsy with wee folk. And I think I might have to lighten you up a bit, maybe not. The paper is ivory, and I do like ivory paper. So let's get going. We have Little Folk in copyright 2025. All rights reserved right there. And then Christine has a message here. I'm not going to read that. Yes, I am, because of course, this is my first time looking through the book and I need to see what Miss Christine is talking about here. Okay. The coloring frenzy continues. I am very excited to present you the Little Folk coloring book. This is the 3rd book in my special collection coloring book series. Included in this coloring book are 50 of my most popular and favorite illustrations, as well as 4 additional exclusive new designs, crowned in snowflakes, Maybells, Miss Pumpkin, and Rose Hip Evelyn. As an artist with a huge imagination, I like to fantasize about hidden places in fairy tale forests, meadows, and lakes with dwellings of ethereal beings I so much love to create. These quirky and cute little personalities pop up in my head and want me to draw them on paper. I hope you enjoy bringing all these whimsical elves, fairies, and other fantastical characters in this book to life through coloring as much as I do. Christine. Let's get to flipping. Oh, this is a good autumn picture. This is really pretty. Autumn encounters. Forest Witch, another good autumn picture to color. Best Froggy Friend. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. The paper feels very nice. I love good paper, y'all. I love it. Because you can pretty much get away with using whatever you want to use. Bird bath. This is so cute. Look at the little bird. He's shaking off the water. That is too cute. Too cute. Oh, a little heart cookie. Cookie elves. Oh, wow. This will make a good Christmas coloring picture. or a good page to color for Christmas. Cowgirl Mermaid. That's cute. I don't think I've ever seen a mermaid illustration like this. That's cute. Crowned in snowflakes. Okay, she has her snowflake holding it there. Very pretty. I love her art. I love her art, her illustrations. Dewdroplet. Doesn't she look like a little dewdrop herself? And then there's the drop from the leaf. The leaves, more than one drops. Yeah, so cute. We have Evelyn's shelter. She has a little umbrella made of leaves. That is so pretty. See the little bell there? I'm thinking, of course, of Christmas. She's a little elf. How cute. Fairy book. Studious little character here. Look at the little fairies around here. So cute. Fairy dust. Ooh, look at the little dust. I don't know how well you can see it. I'm thinking you can see it, but it's like a little dust around that she's blowing off. Really cute. Fairy flower crown. She has little flowers on her legs, wrapped around her legs, in her hair. Our butterflies, really pretty. Fairy girl with birds. Look at those eyes. So cute. Fairy godmother. Very nice as well. I love the flowers here. These are, looks like roses to me. So cute. Look at her headband up there. It reminds me of butterflies there. Yeah, butterfly wings. Fairy heart. This is cute. I like how she made a little heart around here. Fairy with lizard. You know what I like about her pages? You get more to color besides the actual character. There's more inside to color on the page, so I like that. So I'm not one who really knows how to color people. It's something I need to work on. Fawn jungle, I guess that's how that's pronounced. She has her banjo. Or the fawn. Oh, this is a deer. This is a little deer. Okay. And I can see by the legs here, it's kind of made into an animal here. Okay, I got you. She's part girl and part other four-legged animal, which is different. It's unique. Next, we have Flower Girl, which is also pretty. She has buildings in the back of her. She's holding flowers in a basket. It's really pretty. Oh my goodness, a crown of flowers. That is so cute. Flowering in the basket. I only have one of Christine's books. Yeah, this is my second book that I've purchased of hers. Garden Friends. Good Morning Fairy. She just woke up out of the petals. The petals opened up and here she is. Very cute. You have butterflies around. Happy Fairy. She's happy. Helping Hands. This is cute. A cute little picture with some animals in it. You have your cat, your rooster or chicken, the little baby chicks, the little boy with his overalls on. Very cute. Pigtails here. Hen House Gossip. We have our hens The little house. She's getting the eggs. Very nice. Jester. That's cute. See the little animal there? Leaf rider. Okay, she's riding the leaf. That's cute. Little fairy boy. He is so cute. He's so cute. Little fairy monster. Look at the little monster. The monster is even cute too. Look at the eyes. Oh, so cute. Lucky Clover. This is an older character here. This is nice. She has clovers in her hair. So cute. Maybells. I like how she did the head cover here. Yeah, that is cute. Mermaid's shoes. A nice one for mermaid. That's cute. A little seahorse over here. Have a treasure chest. Miss Leprechaun. Go ahead, Miss Leprechaun. She's sitting on the pot of gold here. That's cute. Miss Pumpkin. Oh, she's so cute with the pumpkins. Another nice autumn, fall illustration to color. Mushroom Mood. She has her wand, and that's the moon with some mushrooms on top. Mushrooms in her hair. Mushrooms on her dress. That's cute. Little bows. P. Evelyn. Evelyn. This is an elf with some peas. She hadn't opened the pea to get the pies out, but that's what I'm thinking this is. Pirate. Oh, look at that little monkey. So cute. Raccoon Rascals. This is cute. I like this. That is too cute. Like, leave me alone, little rascal. Rose Hip Elfling. Scratchy Sweater. Her sweater is scratchy. That's nice. Seedling. Okay. Sleeping Beauty. Snail Elfling. I hope I'm not messing up the name, but this is cute. She has, the shell has hearts on them. This is too cute. She has hearts for her little antennae sticking up there. Spring Bringer. Little baby doe. It's so cute. Star Catcher. That's nice. I like that. Summer Night Fiddler. She's playing a violin. Summer Rain. This is nice. I like this. Sweet Maple. We have our little acorn earrings. That is too cute. The Frog Prince. Look at the frog. The frog has his crown on and his little cape. Nice. She has her crown on. It's really pretty. Really pretty page. Troll Girl and Fox Serenade. Look at the fox. The fox has a flute in its mouth. Wow, that is cute. This is really nice. Now, these pictures are grayscale, so I'm sure you can tell that. Trollerina. Trollerina. Okay, that's cute. Unicorn Princess. Adorable. Adorable. Whimsy Fairy Celeste. Yep, nice. This is a nice fall picture as well, or autumn. And we have Winter Warmth. Oh, this is so cute. The little animals. Look at this owl. Owl has a little hat on. That is too cute. And here's another animal. I just about missed that. If I didn't like really look, I would overlook that. I would miss it. That's cute. And guess what? That is all that's in this book, the Little Folk coloring book. I really like it, and I'm glad I bought it. Oh my goodness, I love her art. And you know what? I didn't even have to go hunt down a flip through of her book because I knew I would like it. I love her art. That's all I have to share with you in this flip through of Little Folk. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep calm and keep coloring.